In the skies above the world's most contested regions, a new shadow looms, sleek, silent, and virtually invisible to radar. This is the B-21 Raider, America's newest and most advanced strategic stealth bomber. Born from decades of research and shrouded in secrecy, the Raider represents a quantum leap in aerial warfare, a weapon that can strike anywhere, anytime, with impunity. Today, we'll peel back the veil on this technological marvel, exploring the cutting-edge advancements and next-generation capabilities that make the B-21 a true game-changer in the realm of global power projection. Imagine an aircraft that can penetrate the most heavily defended airspace on the planet, deliver a devastating payload, and slip away undetected. This is the promise of the B-21 Raider, a bomber designed from the ground up for the challenges of 21st century warfare. At first glance, the Raider looks like something out of a science fiction novel. Its sleek, blended wing body design, devoid of any vertical surfaces, presents a minimal radar cross-section, making it virtually invisible to enemy air defenses. But stealth is just the beginning of the B-21's advanced features. Under the skin, a suite of cutting-edge technologies work in harmony to create a platform of unparalleled capability. The Raider's avionics, for instance, are fully digital, allowing for seamless integration with other assets and real-time data sharing with commanders on the ground. Its onboard sensors, including advanced radar, electro-optical targeting systems, and electronic warfare suites, provide an unparalleled level of situational awareness, allowing the Raider to identify and engage targets with pinpoint precision. Perhaps most impressive is the B-21's adaptability. Unlike previous bombers, which were designed for specific missions and payloads, the Raider is a true multi-role platform. Its modular design allows for rapid configuration changes, enabling it to carry a wide variety of weapons, from precision-guided munitions to hypersonic missiles. This flexibility makes the B-21 a Swiss Army knife of the skies, capable of conducting a broad spectrum of missions, from strategic deterrence to close air support. But the Raider's capabilities extend beyond its physical attributes. This is a bomber built for the information age, a platform that can leverage the vast amounts of data collected by satellites, drones, and other assets to create a comprehensive picture of the battlefield. Using advanced data links and communication systems, the B-21 can share this information in real time with other units, enabling a level of coordination and synchronization that was once unthinkable. Imagine a scenario where a B-21 flying undetected over enemy territory identifies a high-value target. Using its onboard sensors, it relays the target's precise location to a nearby submarine, which launches a cruise missile to neutralize the threat. Meanwhile, the Raider itself engages the enemy's air defenses, clearing a path for follow-on strikes. This is the kind of networked multi-domain warfare that the B-21 is designed to enable, a new paradigm of military operations where every asset works in concert to achieve a common objective. But the B-21 is more than just a weapon. It's a symbol of American technological prowess, a testament to the ingenuity and innovation that have long been the hallmarks of the U.S. aerospace industry. The Raider's development has been a Herculean effort involving hundreds of engineers, technicians, and craftsmen working in secret for over a decade. Their work, often unheralded, has pushed the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace design, creating a machine that's as much a work of art as it is a tool of war. And yet, even as the B-21 takes to the skies, the work is far from over. Already, the Air Force is looking ahead to the next generation of strategic bombers, platforms that'll build on the Raider's advanced capabilities to create even more formidable weapons. One such project is the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, a multifaceted effort to develop a family of systems that can control the skies in the mid-21st century. At the heart of this program is a new bomber, one that'll likely be even more advanced than the B-21. While details are scarce, it's thought that this next-generation bomber could feature even more exotic technologies, such as advanced propulsion systems that could enable global reach without refueling, or directed energy weapons that could engage targets at the speed of light. But perhaps the most significant advancement will be in the realm of autonomy. The next-generation bomber may be able to fly itself, relying on artificial intelligence to navigate, identify targets, and even make attack decisions. This would represent a sea change in aerial warfare, a shift from platforms operated by humans to those that can think and act for themselves. Of course, the development of such advanced technologies is not without its challenges. As bombers become more complex and autonomous, there are legitimate concerns about the potential for accidents, malfunctions, or even rogue behavior. Ensuring that these platforms remain under human control and that they're used in accordance with international law and ethical principles will be a key challenge for policymakers and military leaders alike. There are also questions about the cost and sustainability of such advanced platforms. The B-21, for all its capabilities, comes with a hefty price tag, with each aircraft estimated to cost over $500 million. In an era of tightening budgets and competing priorities, the ability to field and maintain a fleet of such expensive aircraft is far from guaranteed. Despite these challenges, however, the development of the B-21 and its successors remains a top priority for the U.S. military. In a world of rising tensions and technological competition, the ability to project power globally and to hold any target at risk is seen as essential to maintaining American military dominance. The Raider, with its advanced stealth, flexibility, and network capabilities, is a key part of this strategy, a platform that can give the U.S. an edge in any conflict. But the B-21 is more than just a military asset. It's a symbol of American resolve, a message to friends and foes alike that the United States will not hesitate to defend its interests and its allies, no matter the cost. In an era of great power competition, where the lines between peace and war are increasingly blurred, the Raider stands as a silent sentinel, a reminder of the strength and determination of the American spirit. As we look to the future, it's clear that bombers like the B-21 will play an increasingly central role in American defense strategy. With their ability to penetrate contested airspace, deliver precision strikes, and enable networked warfare, these platforms offer a unique combination of flexibility and firepower that'll be essential in the conflicts of tomorrow. But even as we marvel at the technological wonders of the B-21 and its successors, it's important to remember that these machines are ultimately tools in the hands of human operators. It's the skill, courage, and dedication of the airmen who fly and maintain these aircraft that will ultimately determine their success or failure on the battlefield. These are the men and women who will take the Raider into harm's way, who will push its capabilities to the limit in defense of our nation. They're the unsung heroes of the U.S. Air Force, the ones who will write the next chapter in the long and storied history of American air power. So as we watch the B-21 take to the skies, let us remember the human stories behind the machine. Let us honor the sacrifices of those who have served and those who will serve in the cockpits and hangars of America's bomber fleet. And let us reaffirm our commitment as a nation to providing these brave airmen with the tools and support they need to carry out their vital mission. In the end, the story of the B-21 is not just about technology or strategy or even air power. It's about the enduring values that have made America great: innovation, determination, and a willingness to stand up for what's right. The Raider embodies these values, a shining example of what we can achieve when we set our minds to a common purpose. As the B-21 takes its place in the arsenal of democracy, let us draw strength from its example. Let us remember that no matter the challenges we face, no matter the threats that loom on the horizon, we have the power within ourselves to rise above, to push forward, to secure the blessings of liberty for ourselves and our posterity. This is the legacy of the B-21 Raider, and of all those who have flown and fought in defense of our nation. May it ever be so, and may the Raiders stand ready, always, to answer the call of duty. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more content like today's. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.